So, picture this. You find a mini bike that looks super affordable, maybe too good to believe, and you think, could this be real? That's the question. When it comes to the TEMU FRP GMB100, the company lists it with specs and pictures, says it will zoom you around, but you may wonder, is it safe? Does it perform? Will it even arrive? On the plus side, if the bike shows up with most of what was promised, solid build, decent power, smooth ride, it could be a legit budget find. But there are signs to watch. If the specs seem exaggerated, parts look cheaply made, or if there's limited warranty support, it might lean the other way. Real user reviews are all over the place. Some folks say it delivered and was fun. Others say it arrived late, parts felt flimsy, or replacement parts were hard to get. So, is it a scam or legit? Maybe somewhere in between. It could be legit for casual use if you're careful, but don't expect it to match high-end models. If you found this helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe for more honest reviews.